Hi there, today we're repasting this graphics card. This card is a Nvidia GTX 1080, the Asus ROG Strix graphics card. So you can see here before the repaste that this card is staying at around 82 degrees Celsius. The fans are spinning fast and loud and it's thermal throttling. So we're not getting the best frames per second this card is capable of. I'll show you how much better this graphics card is after the repaste, and we'll tell you all the benefits of doing this. So let's go ahead and repaste the GPU. So the first thing, to take apart the graphics card, we need to unscrew these 4 screws here and these 2 here. Also there's a warranty sticker just here that we can remove. So assuming you don't care about your warranty anymore, if your graphics card is older, then we can take this sticker off. So once you've taken the sticker off, it's a good idea to wear an anti-static wrist strap, or at least ground yourself before you open the graphics card. So now we'll take these 6 screws out. Okay, so now we've taken out these 6 screws, we can just open up the card. So now we have these 2 connectors we need to take out, and so when you're opening the card, just make sure you don't pull on these connectors, but once it's open, it's easier to take these 2 out. Now we need to repaste the graphics card, and you can use these 2 bottles called ArtiClean. One helps you remove the paste in the first place, and the second one helps purify the surface. Or you could use this isopropyl alcohol instead. So now to remove this thermal paste, we're going to use the ArtiClean bottles. So we use the first one to help remove the thermal paste to start with. We just need to put a few drops onto the old thermal paste, and you leave it for about 1 minute. So now the liquid has been on there for about a minute, and we're using a anti-static lint-free cloth to wipe the paste off. So let's go ahead and do that now. So this is clean enough because we've got all the paste off of here and off of the main chip, but you can get the paste off of the edges as well using a spudger if you want it to be completely clean. So now we've got the thermal paste off, we can use this second bottle, and this will help purify the surface. So we can put a few drops onto this one and a few onto this one, and leave it again for about a minute. So now that's been on for about a minute, and we can just wipe off the liquid with the cloth again. So now we can put on the new thermal paste. Just need a small part in the middle here. if we put in these connectors into this half of the graphics card now, let's put this half of the graphics card down onto the bottom half now. So then turn the graphics card over and just line up these holes with the screw holes underneath to make sure it's in line, and put these screws in and do them in a cross pattern as well. So we just half screw in these screws to start with, and then we'll tighten up these screws. So that's this card all done, all repasted and ready to go. This card now has a stable temperature of 62 degrees Celsius. That's a big 20-degree drop compared to before. It's also getting, on average, about 15 to 20 frames per second more than it did previously. The fans are running much quieter, and running at lower temperatures is helping this graphics card to last for longer, maybe giving it a few extra years of life on top of what it would have had. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.